let's take a look at this cleaning sponge. This is from Latt Liv, ideal for kitchen and scratch-free surface cleaning. Comfortable touch, lovely style. You get 3 pieces per pack. This is made in Hong Kong. Costs around 290 rupees or $5 or so. So let's see what do we get. You get 2 of them cat shaped. I'm not sure you want to clean with these. And this is a mouse. This too is a soft one. This has a quite a gritty texture, so it will help in cleaning. I think these are too cute to clean with. Really cute design. Quite nice. Check it out.